هاي هون بخير عادن welcome أزغولي مع مستوى كرمانجي وإيرو today أمي بحفرة نوتشيكي بخوينن so we will read some news together وأزي حول بدم I will try أزي حول بدم جوارة بحثا جرامري بكم بحثا بيفان بكم وبحثا نزان بحثا نافروكي بكم okay the content so إن شاء الله از هيفي دكم از هيفي دارم بشتيكو ما بحفرة نوتشا خوندنا ويا نوتشيان وهي سانتر ببه. So after we read this piece of news, the reading news will be easy for you. I'm the spibuk and let's go. Boom. News السلاف از الورم از اكران اخذ بحرة بكم share the screen. Let's say desktop, so the entire screen. Okay. إيرو أمي بحفرة نوتشيا لسر ديلان يشيلغوز بخوينن. So we will read the news about ديلان يشيلغوز. ديلان يشيلغوز أو إيدي وزيرة باراستنية. وزيرة باراستنية. وزيرة باراستنية. So we will. So parastan is defending, right? Defending. و Ministry of the Wind Defense. Okay. So ambivision. Parastan is defense. So here you will see the vocabulary here and there's some grammar notes and here we will read it together. I will try explaining you everything. We will see. So parastan is defense. Okay. The present stem pares. Okay. So you may know as Ted pares. I am defending, you defend. Parastan is defend. But as a noun, it can be defense as well. Okay? So I am defending you. So don't forget, in Kurmanji, you can use any verb as a noun and all are feminine. Okay? So that's why Vezira parastne. So if I was the study, like the Ministry of Study, I would be Vezira khondne. Okay? So you add a because of oblique. So parastan is defend or defense as a noun, and the stem is pares, the present stem. If you are using it in present, future, or other tenses, the paresm, duhazm, beparesm, or beparese informal, like command. How do we say command? Ferman. So in Kurmanji, ferman, commanding, okay? Like imperative. Beparese. Defend. So Rojava bepareze. Defend Rojava. Okay, so Hollanda. Hollanda is Netherlands. Netherlands. Oh, Netherlands. Hollanda. Jena dersi mi. So I'm sure you know the word, the city of Dersum. Dersum. Okay, so Dersum is the city. Okay, Bajar. And when we say there's me, so E gives the meaning someone from there. Okay, there's me. So that's why, like, there's me in. Okay, so E gives in. So I am from Merdin. I say Merdini. So as Merdinima, I am Merdinian. Okay, so you can put E at the end of any city. So Parisi, Parisian. New Yorkie, New Yorkian. Okay, so Jna Darsimi, like the lady from Dersim or Dersimian, Jin, woman. Ba'awayeki fermi. So what is Ba'awayeki fermi means? Let's learn the word Ba'awayeki. So Ba'awayeki tatatant in a tatatant way. So fermi means legal, like literally. So Ba'awayeki fermi in a legal way. Wiki wazira parastane dest bekarkar. So wiki is as. So Darsimian woman in a legal way. Dest bekarkar started working as the Ministry of Defense. Okay, so wazir is minister. Yeah, ministry. Or minister, like as a pronoun. So if it's for people. وزير, minister or ministry. Okay? وفهم كر. So now the title is clear. جنا درسیمی باوایکی فرمی وکی وزیرا پاراستنه دست بکار کر. Yes. So Dilan Yeşilgöz, this is the lady. Wazira Parastane, the Minister of Defense, Ya Hollandaye of Netherlands, Dilan Yeşilgöz. So I follow her on Instagram. She's so sweet. Okay, so let's read it. Le Hollandaye. Le Hollandaye. Okay, so Hollanda is the Netherlands. When we use le, it's always there's a or ye because of le. Okay, oblique. Le Hollandaye. So le Paris, le New York, le America, le Almanya, le Kurdistan. Okay. Pishti. Pishti after. Pishti dan o standen en doof dresh. So first we have dan o standen, this word. It can be shopping, okay? Shopping. And dan o standen en doof dresh. So here it is written separately. So, and let me explain you doof dresh. So dresh is long, but if you want to say like very long, instead of saying geleki, we can say duvdrej. So it is duvdrej. So let's say it is like nizanum, very long, okay? So duvdrej, it's a special form, duvdrej, like in a native way. So let's say as long as your arm, as long as your arm, duvdrej, long as your arm. It's a nice expression, long as your arm. Anyway, so pishti danu standen duvdrej. So here danu standen, it's not real shopping, but it's like discussions between people. Okay, danu standen. So after very long discussions, shoppings, حكومتها نو. حكومة شي حكومة. حكومة is the government, right? حكومة. Government. Government. How do we write the word government? So as Jana Nizanam, how do we write English words? Yeah, government. Okay. So حكومتها نو. The new government sont خوار. So here it's a nice verb, guys. Sont خوارن. Sont خوارن بچيه. Sont خوارن. As a bebejim, sondhuaren to woe or a vow, swear, okay? Like say, I promise I will do, no. Where? Okay, no, swear, not where. As gauge boomer. Okay, so sondhuaren, to woe or to swear, okay? Sondhuar or des bekarker. So in Netherlands, after very long discussions, Hukumetano, the new government, swed and started working. Okay, so it's sondhuaren. So you can say as sondhum. I'm swearing as sondhum, or I'm wooing as sondhum. As sondhum as a hajiz nekum. I will not bother you, or I will not make you angry. I swear, as sondhum. And sometimes we say sondbukha. So swear, sondbukha. Okay. Siyasetmedara Kurd adersimi dilan yeşilgöz. Here. قلم من قلم جمن لازمة liver. أي. أوف per stora znolkuya. Okay. Siyasetmedara Kurd adersimi. So here we have the extended izafe. Kurdish politician, Kurdish dersimian politician Dilan Yeşilgöz. The cabinet nude in the new cabinets. لسر یک جکرسین هری kritik رونشت. Okay, so here let's learn these. لسر یک جکرسین هری kritik رونشت. So, and let me write, so I will say, instead of Dilan Yeşilgöz, I will say ev. So, Dilan Yeşilgöz, لسر یک ج کرسین هری kritik رونشت. So أو she, right? لسر on, this is the preposition لسر. لسر, so لسر, okay, on. And here يكج كرسيا هري kritik. First, maybe if you are not sure about هري kritik, it is the most critics. The most, how do we write critics? The sound. Ah, yeah, yes. I need to write more in English. Alright, so I will check it. درجة critical, yes. Sometimes I don't know how to write. The most critical. أري لسر كرسيا يكج كرسيا هري critique. Okay. So هري critique is the most critical. Okay. يكج one of the most critical chairs or seats. So she sat down on one of the most critical chairs or seats. Kursi, okay? Kursi. Kursi. So kursi is the chair, seat, chair, seat. وهري critic, the most critical. Critical. Runished. And runishten is sit down. Runishten. Sit down, okay? To sit down. Okay. او بو وزيرا پاراستنه او آلیکارا سرک وزیر. So here we have, like, او is the subject, او بو something. Okay. So if you see boo in the middle of sentence and something is coming after, it means she or he became. Okay. So if it was أو تتتنت بو, it will be she was something. But here أو بو وزيرة پاراستنه, she became the minister of defense. او آلیکارا سرک وزیر. Alikar is the helper, the assistant of the سرک وزیر, the president. Okay? وفهمتر? So now let's read these two sentences. لهولندای پشتی دانستاندن دوف درێژ حکوومەتان و سند خوار و دەست بکار کرد. سیاسەتمەدارە کووردا دەرسیمی دیلان یێشیلگۆز di kabîneya nû de li ser yek ji kursiyên herî kritik rûnişt û bû wezîra parastinê û alîkara serokwezîr. Li Holandayê piştî hilbijartinên sala 2025 hevdîtinên koalîsyonê 117 rojan ajotin û beencam bûn. Okay. Li Holandayê in Netherlands piştî hilbijartinên sala 2025. Piştî is after, right? Piştî. After. Hilbijartin çiye hilbijartin, elections or to choose. So it's as a verb, it's to choose, election as a noun. Okay? Piştî hilbijartinên sala 2025. After the elections of 2025, like the year of 2025, hevdîtinên koalîsyonê. So hevdîtin is a nice word you need to learn. Okay, let's clean this part. So hevdîtinên koalîsyonê. Hevdîtin, Allah. Diten. Hevdîtin is a meeting, okay? Hevdîtinên koalîsyonê. So the meetings of coalition, koalîsyonê. 117 rojan ajotin. Okay, so ajotin, it's a nice verb. It means to drive, but if you are speaking about the time, it means to take, like time, okay? So it took 117 roj. Okay, so it took 117 days, like their meetings. O beencam bun. So these meetings became like how do we say beencam bun? As enjam is the result, okay? Result. وبإنجامبون it's like to end up, turn out. Okay, so إنجام is a result. بإنجامبون turn out, أنجي end up. Okay, so they turned out. So finally they found a solution, or they became like they found the result. Okay, they got the result. إنضامن حكومة نو. إنضامن حكومة نو. The members of new government. القصرة who is تنبوش لا 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 لا. Bosh, this is the Bosh. Okay, so in the قصر. So قصر is palace. Okay, palace. So القصرة in the palace of tan 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 tan. البيشبري. البيشبري. So in front of. In front of Kral William Alexander. So Kral is the like Mir, like the king of the country, right? They have the king. Mir, it's the king. Okay, in front of the Kral William Alexander, Sond Khwar. So we have seen Sond. Sond Chubu, to swear, to vow. Ou بأواي كفرمي دست بكاركر in a legal way, legally دست بكاركر أفتشي بأن so this so this is already like when you do it, it's gone. Okay, so I was reading this part. وبأواي كرسمي دست بكاركر, so they started working in a legal way. یک جناوین هری بالکش ای کابینه. یک one جناوین one of the names. هری بالکش one of the most interesting names of the cabinets. ای کابینه دیلان yeşil göze. Okay, yes, I want you to learn using like یک je something. Okay, so we will say یک جناوین. یک جناب هری بالکش. One of the most interesting names. Interesting names. One of the most interesting names. A cabinet of the cabinet is Dilan Yeşil Göz here. Okay. Ku زاروکا مالباتک درسیمیه کو جترکیه کوچ کریه. So one of the most interesting names of the cabinets is Dilan Yeşilgöz. That, ku is that, okay? Ku زاروکا مالباتک درسیمیه. Which, or here we can translate as who is the kid of Dersimian Malbat, that is immigrated from Turkey. Turkey'ye koç kırıyor. Okay, so this lady Dilan Yeşilgöz is originally from Dersim, and her family is moved or immigrated to Netherlands when she was little. Okay, وفهمكر جماعة. So now it is taking too much time. It's almost 20 minutes. So that's why I will stop here, but hopefully I will do the second and maybe third part so we can read the same news, because I want to give you all these words, meanings, translation. So it's taking time. I hope you enjoyed these first sentences. It was fun for me as well for my English. So you see, learning never ends. So you have to learn every day. هروش باشه. So قالك سباس قوت بيج ورا وحتى فيديو يدن بخاطر بكا